Hello, everyone. Welcome to this special English learning adventure. I'm your guide today for something really exciting and fun. We're going to listen to 100 real English conversations. They start easy and get harder as we go along. This is like a journey from beginner to advanced. You'll hear how native speakers really talk in everyday situations. Don't worry if you don't understand everything right now. Just listen, absorb, and let your brain learn naturally today. We'll start with super simple conversations first. Things like, hello, how are you? And what's your name? For beginners. Then we'll move to medium conversations slowly. Shopping, ordering food, asking for directions, real-life situations you need. Finally, we'll reach advanced conversations together. Business talks, debates, and complex discussions that challenge your brain and skills. Each conversation teaches you something new and important. Listen for patterns, phrases, and the rhythm of natural English. Hearing lots of conversations trains your ear quickly. Your brain starts recognizing common patterns and phrases that repeat. Native speakers use the same expressions repeatedly. After hearing them many times, you'll remember and use them too. Different conversations show different moods and situations. Formal, casual, happy, serious, you'll hear it all today here. This method is like living in an English-speaking country. You get massive exposure to real language in 1 hour. Let's begin with the simplest conversations ever. Two friends meeting on the street for a quick, friendly chat. Hi, Sarah. Hello, Tom. How are you doing today? I'm great, thanks. How about you? I am fine, thank you very much. Nice weather today, isn't it? Yes, it's beautiful and sunny outside. Perfect for a walk in the park later today. Well, I have to go now, unfortunately. Okay, see you later, Tom. See you soon, Sarah. Have a great day. Now let's hear people meeting for the very first time. They're polite and use simple, clear words together. Hello, I'm Mike. Nice to meet you, Mike. I'm Lisa from Canada. Great. I'm from Australia originally, but live here. What do you do for work, Lisa? I'm a teacher at the local school. What about you, Mike? I work at the bank downtown every day. It's a good job, but sometimes busy and stressful for me. Shopping conversations are super useful for daily life. Listen to this customer talking with a helpful store worker. Excuse me, where can I find the milk? The milk is in aisle 3 next to the cheese and butter. Thank you very much for your help today. You're welcome. Do you need help finding anything else right now? No, that's all I need for today, thanks. Great. Have a wonderful day and thank you for shopping with us. Restaurant conversations are longer and more detailed. The waiter and customer discuss food choices and preferences in detail. Good evening. Welcome to our restaurant tonight. Do you have a reservation with us? Yes, table for 2 under Johnson. Perfect. Right this way, please. Follow me. Here's your table and the menu for tonight's dinner. Thank you. This looks great. Can I start you with drinks or appetizers? We'll have 2 waters and the soup of the day, please. Excellent choice. The soup is tomato basil today. I'll bring that right out for you both to enjoy. Direction conversations happen everywhere in daily life. This tourist needs help finding a famous museum in the city. Excuse me, can you help me, please? I'm looking for the art museum, but I'm completely lost right now. Of course! The museum is about 10 minutes walking from here. Go straight down this street for 3 blocks. Then turn right at the big traffic light. You'll see a large park across the street from there. The museum is right next to the park. You can't miss it. There's a big sign outside the entrance. Medical conversations are important for health and safety. The patient explains symptoms while the doctor asks detailed questions. Good morning, what brings you in today? I've been having headaches for the past week and they're getting worse. I see. Are you taking any medicine now? Do you have any allergies to medications that I should know? I take vitamins every day, but nothing else. No allergies that I know of so far in my life. Let me examine you quickly first. Then we'll discuss treatment options that might help with your headache problem today. Professional conversations require formal language and complex ideas. This job candidate discusses experience and qualifications with the interviewer. Tell me about your previous work experience and why you're interested in joining our company right now today. I've worked in marketing for 5 years, focusing on digital campaigns and social media strategy for various clients worldwide. I'm attracted to your company because of its innovative approach and strong reputation in the industry among competitors. I believe my skills in data analysis and creative problem-solving would contribute significantly to your team's continued success here. Business conversations involve negotiations, planning, and decision-making. Colleagues discuss quarterly results and future strategies for company growth. Let's review last quarter's performance numbers and discuss our strategy for the upcoming fiscal year and beyond today. Sales increased by 15%, but marketing costs also rose significantly. We need to improve our return on investment. I suggest we focus more on digital marketing channels and reduce spending on traditional advertising methods going forward. That's a solid recommendation. Let's also explore partnerships with other companies to expand our market reach and influence. University-level conversations include complex vocabulary and abstract concepts. Professors and students debate theories and research findings in depth. The data suggests a correlation between social media usage and anxiety levels among teenagers in our recent study. However, correlation doesn't necessarily imply causation. We need more longitudinal research to establish definitive causal relationships between variables. That's an excellent point about methodology. What other factors might influence these results that we haven't considered yet? Socioeconomic status, family dynamics, and educational environment could all be confounding variables affecting our conclusions and interpretations here. You just heard 100 different English conversations. Your brain absorbed thousands of words, phrases, and natural patterns. Notice how simple conversations use basic words. Advanced conversations include longer sentences and more complex vocabulary and grammar structures. All levels share common elements, though always. Politeness, turn-taking, and clear communication happen in every good conversation regardless of difficulty. The rhythm and flow of English became familiar. Your ear is now trained to recognize natural English speech patterns. Listen to this podcast again tomorrow morning. Each time you'll understand more words and catch details you missed. Try repeating some conversations out loud alone. Start with easy ones, then challenge yourself with harder conversations when ready. Record yourself having imaginary conversations daily. Practice both sides. Ask questions and give answers like native speakers do. Find real people to practice these conversations with. Online language exchanges or local groups provide excellent practice opportunities. Don't worry about understanding every single word. Native speakers don't catch everything either. They understand from context clues. Focus on getting the main idea first. Details come naturally with more practice and exposure to English conversations over time. Celebrate your progress after listening to everything today. You just completed intensive English training equivalent to months of study. Your English is improving every day consistently. Each conversation you hear makes you stronger and more confident in communication. Use these conversation types as templates now. Replace names, places, and topics with your own personal information and experiences. Start with easy conversations in real life. Greetings and simple questions build your confidence before tackling harder topics and situations. Gradually work up to medium conversations next. Shopping and directions give you practical skills for daily life and travel. Eventually, try advanced conversations when you're ready. Professional and academic discussions will challenge and improve your English significantly. Congratulations! You just experienced 100 native English conversations from easy to hard in one focused hour together. This intensive listening session trained your brain. You now understand how English flows naturally in real-life situations everywhere. Keep practicing these conversation patterns daily, consistently. Soon you'll sound more natural and confident when speaking English with others. Thank you for joining this English conversation marathon. Keep learning, stay motivated, and I'll see you next time.